Dobry den everybody, my name is Hideout, and in today's video we are continuing our practice throwing these awesome airsoft grenades. And for this video specifically we're gonna do a back-to-back comparison of airsoft, flashbang and Pyro-CQB. As you know from our previous videos, Pyro-CQB is a very cheap yet very powerful grenade, and I just wanted to see how stronger is the airsoft flashbang compared to Pyro. And since we've only tested one Pyro-CQB, I also wanted to just throw a few more of these just so that you have more footage, obviously. So let's get back to it. This is part 3 of our airsoft grenades video. The weather is so foggy today, I feel like I'm in Silent Hill, man. Frag out! Ready? Good. Let's do 2 more of this one. Frag out. Awesome. Pins here, and the final one. Frag out. Wow, this one was the loudest. Now let's get back to the airsoft flashbang. And now the long anticipated finale. Wow, this. Oh, great. Oops. This one is like a real explosion. I feel like some civilian flashbangs are really like these. This is amazing. I'm just gonna say it. I wouldn't want to stay too close to this, because this would have given me a concussion, most likely. Okay, let's just once again, let's just do one more, because I really love these things. For a little bit more than $1. Sorry, my hands are shaking because this is so cold today. This is so fun, man. Frag out. Amazing. So today we have tons of footage for these airsoft grenades, and I'd say that airsoft flashbang obviously wins, but considering the fact that Pyro-CQB is cheaper, I'd say that they are more or less equal in terms of having fun. And the most important thing is that this airsoft flashbang is only medium size. I can only imagine how big of an impact will be with 30 milligrams of flash. As far as I know, there is the one that has a pin, and the one that functions via the Bigford fuse, just like the medium one. And we'll also try to find them somewhere and test them out in one of our next videos. Well, thank you for watching, guys. It was an amazing video as usual. Take care, have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next one. Slava Ukraine.